HubSpot's AI features are doing a ton to make your life easier, and now they're useful in the HubSpot app too. So I'm going to show you how you can generate an AI email through the HubSpot app in just a few steps. Really easy to use. So to do all of this, first you do have to go into settings on your HubSpot main account, and there's an option for AI. You'll just click AI and you'll have to enable AI. So if you haven't already enabled AI, then you have to go in and enable it there. If you are already using AI features, you don't need to do anything else. This is already available. So in the app, you would just go in and I'm gonna start to create an email. So I went in here and I clicked on an email that I was gonna write. I put the recipient there. And then if you see right in the bottom right corner, there's that lightning bolt. If you click on that lightning bolt, it'll pop up with the content assistant. The content assistant is where you're going to generate the email. So all you have to do is fill out these right here: email type, what are you selling, who are you selling to, describe what you want to communicate, the tone and the language. So I filled all that out right there. The introduction email is one of the drop-down options, and tone has a drop-down option with a few other, witty and things like that. But I'm choosing optimistic for this example. And once you fill all that out, you just click generate right there in the top right, and it generates an email. So just like that, it's generated this email. If I like this one, I can click insert and it's going to drop it right into my email client. However, I've decided to click generate more because I want to see, what else. Maybe I didn't like this example, or, I wanted something different. So I click generate more. It actually gives me two options. So there's this first option right here, which is the one that I've selected. I put the checkbox there. And then if you swipe to the right, there's a second option. So it's now giving me two options to choose from, so I can read them both and decide which one I want to use. So in this case, I'm going to choose that one right there, and I click on it and it drops it right in the email client. So now I can just edit a few things. So I need to change lead's name to, in this case, Matt. A couple other things, add my name in, and a few various things, but for the most part, it's written this great email already for me. And then I can click send. So that's one really great feature. The other great feature that they've added is the generate summary feature. So if you have a long email chain where you're going back and forth with someone and you just want to get a quick summary of what's been going on, you can do this right in the app too. All you have to do is click right there where it says generate summary after you've loaded up a email chain, and it's going to provide you with a little summary of that email. So in this case, we've had an email back and forth, and it says here, Tom, a sales rep at Widgetco, reaches out to Cameron. They requested updated brochure and a meeting to discuss products next Monday at 10 a.m. Tom signs off with a link to book a meeting. So you can see right there, it's just created that summary, and it'll save you a little bit of time going through and remembering everything about that. So very cool feature. Like I said, all you have to do is go into your settings and enable AI. If you need help with any of that, we're happy to help out over here at Wider. We have a lot of experienced people at using the AI features and using the HubSpot features.